Hindi masama. Tingnan muna natin kung
okay, good afternoon to all Las Mateñas here at Magallanes Center. Ito muna tayo bago po tayo dumako sa ating ating mga isang magandang exhibition muna na handol na ating ginawang beauty sa Pia at nakakaginasin siya po the Guardian First Master in Court. Perfect person sa nakakaginasin niya na susundan na kanila uli pangalawang atake from the corner ng that from the wall number 27. Gets placed inside, and he go on the line. There's a contact blow foul on number 12. Para dito kay Danny Boy Gregorio. His first personal foul. Sana po mag-enjoy po ang lahat ng mga taga-Masbate City dito sa handog na exhibition ng ating WSP and our SPJ. Made the first by number 27 naming tao, John Pao. Eh, napapanood po tayo ng live. Ayan, in our live action stream sa inyong Facebook, subaybayan lamang at Roel Weber. I-follow po ninyo ang ating NBL dito sa Masbate City. That is another steal for the SPJs. That is fall down on the floor. Foul on number 27. Holding foul, a runner holding foul. First personal foul on Mr. Judy Tamayo. Detail number 1.
Lalay!
Now the DWP is Sophia. Number 12. Now for basket. Basket. Sapase. DWP Sophia. And Rodel. Classic. 4-2 is the score. And now, number 6, pass to number 30, Collier. Patay ang butingin. Ayan. Nagpapahinga. Yes, that was a good call, part of the official. That is part of the line. Same basketball. Is the score. Number 6, fire on the glass number by Shan Makamas. There's a good back, another basketball against Antique. SPJs Masbate City. His score now is 6-2 for Big Word. And SPJs. Second ball. Yung mga taga-Masbate City. Ito yung ano
Bong! Receive ka lang!
Pride of Masbate players. And syempre, hindi magpapalo yan sa mga bisitang players natin from the National Day. That is Boucher. Foul on number 30. His first personal foul on Ian Down. There's a line to the top. That ball. There's another ball. Foul ball number 6. He found number 3. First personal foul para kay Sean Thomas. Yung mga players po yan. Kung hindi yun, hindi na gusto na mga players. They are also selected players. Magagaling na players na pinili sa kanila mga laban. Foul number 17. Sinisimula natin ang exhibition ng 13, Alminye, bola hinigi sa kanto. Point, second shot clock. What a crossover, yeah! That was Mr. Kaina. Labanan ng Central. That horse is score. Anthony and Jay over. Dito Dalak. Tara Papa. Hima already. Mr. Rivers. Ginagana na mga player ng Masbate. Now the playmaker. Put on the cover. Sean Macapas. And four. Turn out. That was a foul for number one. Paul Brothers, mga superstar player na Masbate City, magiging maganda at aabangan talaga to. Number 6, now kick out, but the catch is good. Foul on Mr. Number 5 with this. Timeout. Para dito sa ating SPX. The Bombers had it all over Mr. Alan Agusco. And congratulations sa ating head of operations, Sir Alan Agusco. Bagay na bagay. Nandito ni-launch yung ating jingle. Napakagandang pakinggan dito here at Masbate. Check point, Nico Mandag. And there is a counter call. Steal. May nawat at the right lang sa ating kapatid. Foul all over the hold. We are now on the point. Yes. Penalty. Five fouls, substitution. Borgalas will check for boxing. Shooting 2 by number 16. Alminye. We were proud to say na maganda yung gymnasium natin dito sa Masbate here at Magallanes. Kaya talaga naman napaka-presto at maraming salamat po pinito ang inyo. Hey! All over the gap! Number 6, down. Lupuhol. Nagkapos Lupuhol. Lucy Lupuhol. Ball recover. Kick out number 13. That was bullshit. Second personal foul. Foul on number 1. Penalty. We are now in the penalty. Substitution. But back out. Shooting 3-point number 3. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapalo, i-follow nyo na yung ating NPL Live at Roel Weber. Para mapanood ninyo kami nasa bakay na yung mga laban natin dito. Now Morales, Bridget, to the Philippine Award. Now for Thurl Weber, Malakay Ward, and also up is a steal by number 30, Ian Canal. Fire, look good, happy ka na bola, Montes get the rebound. Pass it to Morales, Foul number 19. Oh, there's a foul. Number 19 issues foul. Penalty. Penalty. Sabi ko na gano'n sa and when it comes to the idea, this is pushed before. Magaling na sinasabi ni Nelson Machado and Charles Nelson Machado lang sa pagkakasali. It is the good worker of the Pinoy Media Company. Ang mga kasama na natagal sa kanilis mo sa bakit. Charles Machado kay Christian Delano sa Sound check. Fire from the answer, three! Captured by Peter Rosa. 38. One foul. Penalty. Foul number 16. Out again. First Brazil. Number 20 again. Ball check. Versus in Portland. 69 is the score. 4 minutes and 2 seconds to Portland. 6 points in favor of Portland sa ating
Set up.
Now Morales. Pass to Lopez. Operational. To the floor. Get on the shot on the baseline. And Operational. Goes to Turner. Good. There goes down. Portland spotted 2-1 ball break behind the back. Now the hole. Who's checking back in this? Nagsisimula na magkami ng pupunan na gumawa ng magagandang galawan. 3, answer no good. Say, fight the whole brothers. Arrow, ball, the good. Manalo, number 7, penalty. First person down. First service good for NT Award. Second round NT Award. Second is good. So congratulations to the couple of the house. And napakagandang tingnan. Look at that big screen. A lot of people coming here to the upper opening. Congratulations. Number 7, by the band after yes! Mr. number 20. Let's get counted. And Chomar Pohol. Look at that replay. May nag-play tayo dun sa big screen. Nagkabuhol-buhol na si Pohol. Pero nakabasket pa rin. Best net bonus. And there is another free throw for Pohol.
Rep, naunang tumawid yung puti ah.
That was
Naunang pumasok yung puti. Tingnan mo, siya unang papasok ko.
Third, that was a lane ball. Substitute free throw. Line jumpers population. Ang galing yung mga referees natin dito. Fernandez. Third na lang pamahal ni Sofia. Gonzalez.
Hard mo. Hard mo yan. Hard mo. Lagyan mo. Hardan mo ng ano. Hardan mo ng depensa yun. Matagal na ulit.
Napakaganda na yan. Kung mag-screening, ito yung screening natin. Ito yung image niya. Here at the region. Napakaganda tingnan natin. Tingnan mo ninyo sa inyong mga bakay. Napapalaman yan. Number 7. Christian Evangelista. Kakabo. O, di pa na. Yung big screen. Isang linggo pa lang po yan. Makababasa.
Dalim!
10 seconds on the shot clock. Christian Evangelista. This ball for the big pack. Work out. Offensive rebound. Double O. Fire. Basket. Kyle Rosa. 23-17. That was a 6-point. Para just namin SB Jets. Take a step. Versus good. Then we're down here behind Team SK Jets. Tumabal na quick pass ko na ang sisipat na mga player ng Masbate. Namuna para dito sa ating NBLU pampalakaran dito sa Puerto Here it comes to the war. The extra basket. Pagkiri. Pass to Fernandez. Pick it away. No way. Now on empty. Gumagawa na ng mga dito ang ating WB XFBA magiging ang ating laban. Pero nagmamadali ang ating Masbate para mag-lagay ulit ng basket. Number 7, G-Count wide open from 3. Again, rebound number 0. Buhol, buhol na naman. Dakang! Ito na ang bumawi. Teka lang, ano nangyari?
Bala.
No basket. Number 5, offensive foul. Teka lang, substitution. Sobrang offensive foul para kay Sir.
Sablang.
May iyon buhol. Akala naman natin, may extra rice na.
Pwede may tawid daw. Yan, diyan ka lang muna, Mau.
18 seconds on the big clock here in the first quarter. Running hard for the new ball away. Empty floor to be back to back. Nasunod the bola. 5 seconds remaining. They shoot the ball before the Denver basket. ready for the second quarter.
Game ball. Player.
Just wait. Kevin is carrying the ball.
Okay, defense.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 10 seconds. Number 1, Doriel De La Rosa from the baseline 3. Short 8 manager, paper 2 Mahol. And now he has 26-25. James Bieber agad. Lamang na ng isa. Yang ating WP and Sophia. Nice challenge on the inside for the WP. Here now by Mark Pajarera.
Sige, okay lang yun. Sige. Ulo ka. Dalim.
26-25. Lamang na po ang ating WP and Sophia. Aaron Mahol, the number 17. Back pass, check ball by Martino, Morales, Ducarino, Rivers, that ball, last defense,
Hey, down. Say mo na ba?
Number 10, Aaron. Pass to Mata, yes! Basket by Mata, the eye of Mascate. Morales, number 40. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Take a off the top. Flat 3. Good rebound. Take it off. Back and forth. Mascate to SK Jets. Number 17. Winning off. Again. Morales will get the rebound. Now Carrillo. Carrillo take 5. Like this. Here now by number 12, Mata. 9. Foul number 14. First personal foul, substitution. Mata out. Then you go straight out. Together with Aaron Mahol.
Ano? Okay ka dyan.
Players and para po sa ating SK Jets. Upsteed. Brother Jan J.A. Rosine. Look here. Running 7.6 is scored down there.
Nice!
The very for Ochio. Drive. And time! Ball away. One block. Outlet pass. Carrillo to Pajarera. Carrillo is Pajarera. 28-27. 1 point lead. WP and Sophia. Now on number 15 from 3. Oh, will off from 3. Basket counter for 2. On number 19, Mark Aida. Yes, a good player. Roxy, second personal foul. Shooting 2 points by Nico versus Paul. The second hit is also Paul. Number 17, pass to Nicoy.
Idol, back out!
That was the Bachelors. para po sa ating WB Sophia. 3-point shots! By Mr. Albini. Yeah, big back. Fell down on the floor. Here now, B-boy. That was a big block shot nakal atin sa atin ang ating NPL unit.
Sige, down na.
Here at the stopping. Game number 4, Gabriel. The pass and shoot from the baseline. Canada 28-32. Around 30 is the score. Now for 3. 3-point shots. Marjon kay Marjon. Kanina pa etong si Marjon na gusto na makuha yung kanyang lead from the 3. And this is now the first connection for team. Nakuha na ang kanyang lead. 31-30. There's a foul. Okay.
Elbow. 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 Hands go, yan.
Okay. Ayun yung sinasabi natin, tatagagdag ng ating liga, may live stream, at sabi mo na tayo, huli sa replay, at excessive swinging of elbow, unsportable like huli, pero di mo go, kung siya kasi mo possession. Kaya sa mga kapataan, nababagong kaya sa next year.
Lima, lamang siya lima.
Reverse na pawala. Pass the count. Fortune by number 27. That's the final pass. Pass to number 6. Open on the break. Now on number 15. Marjon. To number 27. Basket once again. For Judy Tamayo. And the replay. One pass forward. A cover. Basket for the pound all of 17. Substitution critical allowed. First personal foul by the Philippines. Marjon Bohol. And another goal from the 13th line. Ball is a greater game. And Number 6, 3 points odds, moving down sa 9. Now the moving Sophia. One down. Pass to the board. A hard to move. Here we go. Sets it off. Extra drop. Oh, here we go. We're down to the left. Gets it playing. Oh, there you go. 41-37 down is the score. Number 6. Malakas manuwa, wala na perfect. Ito na count new begins to be yes, advanceable 41-37. Good on the shot clock. 10 seconds remaining.
Kailangan natin work si Tadi. No.
Shot clock. Winding count to 5, 3. Garrison. Technical foul. Okay. We have contact. Get this. Okay. That was a good decision by the referee for only technical, not this one without contact. Eh, pag tumama yan, eh, baka pwedeng sabihin nyo but it's more like foul for Lance. Yes. Technical foul natin is contact foul.
Sino lalabas natin?
So technical lang. Tama. 42-37 is the score. Shot clock. Oregon Tebas good. By number 16, Alvini. Lead. Now 8. A 4. Behind the back is good.
Adjust dito.
Substitution. Foul on number 34. First personal foul for MJ Clark.
Maglaro lang kayo. Traveling.
Substitution. Arjun Paul is out for number 00, Pilamosa.
Lalim, isa.
12 seconds on the shot clock.
Ganda kasi ang simple sa loob.
5 seconds shot clock. Substitution.
Hangin mo na, hangin.
48 seconds. Second person will not go to the floor. And the ball is back on the floor.
Wala nang oras. Ano? 20 seconds.
At the end of the first half, the score is 48-41 in favor by the S. Dito din po natin una pinarinig. Congratulations na yung naging opening natin dito. And now, sa ating exhibition, our second half, third quarter, pinigyan na at tayo. Netong ni Body Obrasio, ang Mr. Piso ng Bicol. That was Obrasio, 48-43. And three. Again, rebound by Yasin. Back for the WBS Sophia. Nalabagan sila kanina ng first up ng ating mga taga-SPGS from Mascate. Bounce post, team out. Double team, one takeover. Piso, extra drop. Ang ganda ng pasa. But this by Gregorio. Offensive rebound, Piso. Obrasio. Ayan po, kaya ako binagsak ang Mr. Piso. Basic lang, Piso, tira. 45-48 is the score. Babagsak ang opportunity ng mga here. Spring Silver System ang ginagawa ni Kaya Mascate. Number 13. Binabate ni Kaya Sophia. Here's the finish of the shot. Post defense. Violation. Extra pass. Una po yung whistle ni referee for a pushing foul by number 12. Yes, sir. That was okay. Second personal foul by 48-45 is for 11. Fourth na natin rocket na natin kung madagdagan sa base. Dito na ating WBS Sophia. Piso. There's the shot. Big rebound para dito kay B-Boy. B-Boy down. The offense is in the middle. B-Boy out. Personification. Lopez. Rebound by B. Mascate. Everything now in control. Down on the shot. Okay. All players.
Gag.
Pagkalap ko, ha?
Tama naman.
All players, please back. On the front of your respective benches. Okay na. All players, please back on the bench. And
Ulo.
as for the round, they're counting as we have. Every single 7 minutes of a way, player, kita natin yung mga sinabi ko yung mga sequence natin. Please, basketball is a physical game. And hindi lang tayo. Overhead, yes! Basketball for Drew. By Mr. Maka Panay. Alpas Pate, Base.
Hey, Base!
Base, looking for the receiver. Hadi Okarashu, close down to Sunny Boy out of bounds. Out balance. Kaya talagang matitibay yung mga player dito ng ating masbate. And the good thing, our official,
There was a double down. Double down on the floor to Green, number 2 for Green. Or under 51 to 41 is the score. Full of action. Execution here. Piso na. Piso na yun. Ito si Okarashu. 51-47 is the score. Number 32 seconds on the shot clock. Now number 10 for Iron, number 12 Mata. This is 3 out of bounds. But that will back in for WWF. Christian Bautista will back also for the SPJ Summer. 51 for his own is the score. Number 1. Pass to Montes. Contested by Christian. Extra pass. Bundy. Giraton. No good. Rebound for Christian. Evangelista. Pass this. Now for Nico Madal. Madal on the move. That good foul from the number 30. Enjoying this exhibition. Shooting. Ini-enjoy na mga tao. Yun yung mga magaganda na pampanahon sa basketball. Mga seryoso naman. But now, pass to Okarashu. 3 on the shot clock. Passer before he released the ball still off the hand by Mr. Piso. And wala siya sa tulido. 51-47. Number 7. Oholas. Pass to Peter Rosa. There is Sunny Okarashu. They're down by Manda. Manda. 6 and oh! Oh, not in my house. Dito sa bahay namin. Sabi ni Paul. Substitution. Vega coming in. Tanaw out. By Mr. Malapas. Substitution. Number 16, Almina will go back also for the SK Johnson. Parehong may mga magagandang line-up eh. Mga pang-tingnan talaga yung mga players. Piso lang! Konting espasyo, yan si operasyo. Piso. 31-49, 3 points, again, rebound out of bounds. Save basketball. With a 13-pin on the shot clock. Here we go, the shot clock. Catch into the baseline from Alvin. And they'll see back up. Now Alvin. Substitution, Willard Mahal. Coming in. Shooting two. First line is good. Coming in for the WBS appeal. Madam pass to Vega. Vega to Madam. Madam pass to Obrasio. Tinipid sa Madam. Ito si Obrasio. They're now racing. Picking up race. No! Here's your ball, here's one. Three minutes and 35 seconds here now, third quarter. Christian advantage to the cross mover. Dallas is communication. Here we go. Bicol. Nananalinig niya sa operasyon. Hindi na siya binibigyan ng espasyo. Creating the space through piso lang. Again, rebound. Again, it's a foul. Runner Campbell.
Limbol.
Dito talaga magandang laban. Look at that replay. Walang gustong bumitaw. Di ba?
Buba!
Alley pass, missed the catch, now over. to 55. Mabasa dalawa ang kalaban dito ng ating SPH Masbate. Number 16, hinihigit ang depensa ng ating mga nakakakarote. The rebound. Ay, Montes. Montes. Pass to Madak. Good. Madak pass to Bornales. The trade. Cage favor now 1 point for the WBS Sophia Carajinas Norte. Number 16 from the parking lot. Petrola. Remember the name of the broadcast. Pasa sa Masbate Operational. Now Montes. Man-to-man defense. Backs one. Challenge by number 7 about this. Ball flat to O'Hario. O'Hario jumper short. Top ball recover. Manager number 16. Almine. Passes the Catalina. Wanted in 24-17. Diana coming in. Well, it was still very loud. He's at the third quarter. Hindi sila bumibitaw sa pananood. Now for Mr. number 5, Montes. Short K. Rebound. Ako na naman. Oh. Ayan na naman. Nagtapuhol-puhol na naman. Foul on number 5. Substitution Montes. Grab. Hello. There's a bell. And we are now on the penalty by the team WBS Sophia. Second personal foul by Nico Montes. And 2 more. Margin pressure. First line. Good. The second drill. Exactly 1 minute to complete this third quarter. Having now magandang exhibition. Bornales. Pass to Massey. Massey pass to Bernard. Pick and roll. The long arm feature roll. 3 out. 3. Answer for Captain Nugget. Bornales. Pass to Banana. Passing. 3. Again. Number 27. Thursday. Now, there's a penalty. Third personal foul on us as substitution. O'Hario will out for a more penalty. First one out. First one out. Now, put on Margin to hold. Sir Margin will out. Substitution. Okay. 2 shots for the penalty. 3.7. This is a very interesting exhibition natin. Nagkami mo action eh. Hindi bigyan tayo na intensity. At marami ang pinagkagalaman. Pareho mo nagaling. Sana yung mamaya pala yung natin. Yung mga players. And that was the sound of the buzzer at the
This is a close action exhibition game since it's real. Isa to, pagkahituloy baka ito po yung pinakamagandang opening ng NBL. Palakpakan naman natin yung ating masbate. Ngayon, maraming salamat sa pagtanggap ninyo sa WBS Arena at our NBL Region 5. Ready now. Ang ating exhibition game. Second personal foul. Okay. Personal basket. The second drill by Amor. Again at that. And bottom this thing down his own is lead. The lead counted to 3 points. Number 6. Now SC. Foul. By number 0, Bessie. No resolution down. Over there. Ridley. 4 personal foul. He is warning for 5 fouls. First is good. The second net. And it's also good. Balik sa lima. Balik sa lima. Ang lamang ng ating tagabasbate. Foul on number 6. Holding foul. Manlapas. His second personal foul. Number 14, step back for Dallas with a 3. The good rebound. Last touch. By the WB Sophia. Low sound check. Now on number 69. Now on Amor, fire from the tree. Look at big rebound by Alinge. Timeout. Cole. Okay, back in action. Shooting 2 versus 2. Brasco kay Obrasio. Piso. Bibigyan ng espasyo si Obrasio. Piso. 76-6. Now, find the medalist of Hero of Three. Oh, ganda na nangyari. Kaya nasa biglang yan. There is a replay for the last sequence of play. Come on, player, ha? Oh! Okay. The third review. That was the score line foul on number 1 Madaka. That is official available possession. The personal foul on the top. Connecting outside and inside. Morales on the board. Get the back to back. Get the right player.
Defensa!
7 points. Now another fire. Look at this time by Mr. Manalopas. Ivan Montes has to Montigo. Montigo trying to down. Montigo. Take a foul on Christian Evangelista. It's a Christian in the second personal foul. But rather, third personal foul, 5 and 22. From the very start, una pa lang hindi nawala yung index at aksyon ng mga physical gaming natin dito sa ating laban. Championship.
Papaluran ako, papaluran.
8 seconds lead on the shot clock. Obrasio, slice, Matthew Barrera, shoot out, the good rebound, Morales, no way, shooting arm, foul on number 7, yes, good goal by the official, yet the shooting arm, yung tinamaan, di manipis, di makapal, shooting arm, there is an effect, that was the automatic foul, good goal by the official. Disadvantage over that shooting arm effect. Now on number 14.
2 out of 2. The score is 7-7. Down 5. Stealing B. We're rolling back to pocket.
From the outside down Morales. Drive again, rebound, Morales, Lubarena, basket count. Oh wait, just wait.
Good!
Oh, wait. Wait lamang. Everybody ready? Ayan.
Ang tagal ng pito sa amin sa kanila. Pito agad sa amin ang kapal-kapal. Pagay nyo kasi kanina rep ng ano eh. Pinag-iinit yung player eh. Naiinit yung
This
player
is
eh.
only an exhibition day. We are here to have fun. Pakita po natin na tayo na Masbate ay imbisita kita sa dayo. Please, please, this is an NBL game.
Isa pa lang, ganun ang ginagawa ng kalaban eh. Walang nawawala, ganun ang ginagawa.
Pareho nagkaroon ng unsportsmanlike foul ng dalawang beses. Unsportsmanlike foul, 2 free throws in the ball possession by Fernandez. Matino out din dahil dalawang unsportsmanlike foul na din. Basketball is a physical game. Ganyan talaga nangyayari sa buhay-buhay. Maayos man inatanan sa huli. Okay, and shots in the ball possession.
Tawag yun, tama.
74-80 is the score. Still 6 points. Okay, mga players, patuloy tayong binibigyan ng magandang laban dito. And there's a foul on number 3. Another number 30. Penalty. Third personal foul on
Number 30, Ian Danao. Penalty tayo. At nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na pumwesto si Oprasio. 2 piso yan. Yes, the first.
Yes, go!
Quarter down for 27. Same basketball. Ito yung mga laban na hindi-hindi-hindi-hindi. Breakaway shots. Good. Holds with the lucky pass. Counter steal. Now on the timeout. Second and loose. Two shots. Pass it down for 2. Right number 20. And now on Bornales, the screen ahead. Bornales, ball fake. Pade. Oprasio, extra drop. Yes, sir. Basket by Ino. Yes. 7-6, 82. Babago rin ang anak ng Maralana pa rin ang Masbate. Ang sitwasyon dito sa Masbate. Number 16. And now Ian Wolfing. Pass, extra. Right. Foul on number 14. Third Brazil foul on number 2 by number 27, and that is Judy Caballero.
Box up!
Control. To number 2. Para Camargo, balik sa balo, ang malaki. And ating SK Jets. Masbate City, Montes. Single. Looking for the receiver, Bornales. Switch to Montes. Then shot block. Bornales, the 3. And now, the good. Rebound by Alvike. And then Alvike.
Sophia kilala sa mga Axel Gaming, pero ginudoble yung mga Axel Gaming. Dito na magkatagabas bate. They're now the champion!
Bong! Bong, bong!
And 3:35 on the big clock. Now, that was the fourth foul for Tenao. Barrera out. Gregorio coming in. Penalty. Shooting two by Montes. First is good. Now the second by Montes. Yes, the second throw. Sonny Boy, a good back shot for number 5, Email Montes. 85 to 79 is the score. Number 6. Sean Lagapas, pass to Alamigne. This is 3. Number 12, Morales Bush. Pinasa doon, ito ni Mr. Ojerio. Okay, Mandak go back. Nico Mandak. $85, 79 is the score. Number 6, Shanalapas, Gigantus Palau. Now Alamigne. And on the job of Alamigne, runner number 16. That was the general balance. Ayun, tingnan natin sa 7. Hindi na hawakan. Kita-kita sa CCTV. Na-start. Maraming SB Jets. Check ball, pero ginawin naman dito agad ni Pohol. Pohol, pero sa Alamigne. Alamigne half-run. Good foul for Gregorio. There was the 2 shots for fouls for Gregorio. Sabi natin nakita na po yung WPS sa Axel Gaming. Yung nagabas bakit ngayon lang natin na may natin na pagkakan. Kaya talagang doble din yung kanila na ginagawa ng Axel Gaming dito. Kaya matuloy sila pa rin ang may mawak na kalamangan. 81 to 79. The second throw by number 16. And now, para ulit sa ating SB Jets. Ayan. Patuloy-kunin na aming supportahan NBL Youth. And gabayan lang kayo na we prefer working on the rising star ng NBL Youth. Susunod na yung ating mga kabataan because we are now for this exhibition game, we are going to enter into the twilight zone. Last 2 minutes. This match is brought to you by NBL Youth. After Well River, isolation. Second free rebound by number 20. Babalik dito sa ating nasa pocket. Nakuchin. Second to number 20. Rebound! Nakita ng offensive rebound na nakuha dito ng ating SB Jets. Hands against There's a whistle. Foul, basket foul. Foul on number 26. And basta mga player, okay lang tayo. Yan. Nagiging intense at nagiging masaya. Yung panonood ng mga tao dito talaga mula kanina hindi tayo liwan dahil sa napakagandang action. Amor. Ganyan talaga yung basketball is a physical game. Kanina pa natin sinasabi yan. Physical talaga. Bravo! Good ball. Good ball sa mga. Kaya rin yung mga. Karan sa tuloy. Wala po papasok. Okay lang. Sige na po. Kontrolado. Kontrolado na crowd. Players, all players. Sige po. Please back to your respective benches. Sige po. Pamigay ko sa mga ng crowd ha. Kontrolado natin yung basketball. Okay? Salamat.
Okay, the management, decide the game, let me stop, we will proceed for the next game. Okay, winner, Maswati.
Next game, please warm up. Next game, please warm up.